I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to mark and share locations on your Maps app on your iPhone, also known as dropping a pin. So first, we're going to open up our Maps app. So to mark and share a location or to drop a pin, we're going to zoom in by pinching and zooming out or spreading our fingers apart, and we'll just pick a particular location and we'll tap and hold on the screen where that location is. Let's say it's this house. I'm going to tap and hold there, and it will then drop a pin for you. You can see details about the location. It won't always have an address, but it will send exactly where you drop that pin. When you are ready to share it, we're going to click the icon right between the plus and the X on the middle right of the screen. That is our share button. Now here you can share this pin however you'd like. Most people will click on messages and send this location over text. You type in your person's name and then click the send button, and then now they have that pin that you dropped them.
If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.